Simplifying English, mastering real and really. Hello language learners. Welcome to another video in our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're going to explore the often confusing difference between real and really. Understanding these words and how to use them correctly can make your English communication clearer and more accurate. Let's dive right in. Real and really. Both have their roots in the concept of truth or authenticity, but they play different roles in sentences. Real is an adjective, meaning it describes a noun or pronoun. For example, is this a real diamond? On the other hand, really is an adverb, which means it describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. For instance, I really like this song, or the movie was really interesting. The main confusion arises when we interchange real and really. Remember, real should not be used to describe a verb, adjective, or another adverb. That's the job for really. Incorrect. I feel real tired. Correct. I feel really tired. Incorrect. The game was real exciting. Correct. The game was really exciting. Now let's put our learning into practice. I'll read out sentences, and your task is to identify whether real or really is used correctly. 1. Is this really your car? Correct or incorrect? 2. She was real happy about the surprise. Correct or incorrect? 3. That's a real interesting book. Correct or incorrect? 4. I'm really sorry for being late. Correct or incorrect? 5. The painting looks real beautiful. Correct or incorrect? Pause to allow viewers time to think about their answers. Let's check the answers. 1. Correct. Here, really, is modifying the verb is, which is the correct use. 2. Incorrect, really, should be used to modify the adjective happy. 3. Incorrect, really, should be used to modify the adjective interesting. 4. Correct. Here, really, is modifying the adjective sorry, which is the correct use. 5. Incorrect, really, should be used to modify the adjective beautiful. There you have it, a quick and simple guide to using real and really correctly in English. By knowing the difference and practicing often, you can avoid common mistakes and communicate more effectively. Remember, real is an adjective, and really is an adverb. Keep practicing, and soon it will feel really natural to use these words correctly. I hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for more lessons in our Grammar Fundamentals series. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.